harvest time here in Thailand. This is a typical farm truck here. That in front is the engine, and it's a single cylinder diesel. I think about 500 cc. Just one piston. They don't go very fast, but they haul a whole bunch. It's amazing. Then coming up here, there's a harvester. So there's a Kubota harvester there. It used to be that you had to cut the rice by hand and then shake it out to get the kernels to come off. And now you got these new machines here that do it all. So it breaks the grass, cuts the grass, then it separates the kernels from the stem, discards the stem. Pretty amazing. They do this for about 500 baht per ride. This is the harvest of the main harvest season, which is done during wet season. And we're just at the end of wet season. It's starting to dry out quite a bit now. This rice is done. Next, they will, most farmers still burn, unfortunately. But they burn the husk. They'll come through and they'll cut some of this for hay, for cows, also for compost. But then the stubble that's left over, they'll either burn or we till ours in. But they'll burn, and burning's very easy, but it pollutes the air. The other advantage about burning is that it gets rid of insects and animals that are in your rice paddies, and then also it turns into potash, which helps things grow. The advantages of tilling it in are that that breaks down into nitrogen rich soil, but tilling it, of course, costs more. So Thailand's trying to go to all till, but it's pretty easy to just light a match, sit back. So we'll see in the next couple of years. So once the harvester's full, then they dump it into a truck that's set up like this. Just your basic Thai pickup truck. And they will fill that up. Once that's filled up, they'll either take it to the mill or they'll dry it. You can take it to the mill wet. That's what we do. But this is Mom's rice here, and we've got it all spread behind the gate here and in the back. So that's how it's done. now harvest season here in Thailand. And so everybody is harvesting their rice. In this area, there's 3 different types of rice that people grow. There's regular white rice. There is, of course, the favorite, sticky rice. And there's also a blueberry rice that's kind of a healthy rice. But everybody's busy right now. The harvesters are all harvesting. I thought it would be interesting to show. Once the rice is harvested with the harvester, usually it's spread out like this so it can dry. And so it's put like this for, a day, 24 hours or so, maybe longer, depends on the weather. Anybody need some rice? I have no idea how many bags we got. Most of this will be sold, except for this one right here. All of this one that's right by me will be saved and put into bags to use for next year's crop. Or not, or it'll be sold, but it'll be sold next year. We will also eat a lot of it. There's Poppy. Yeah.
What you call light sun.
Yeah. So these are just some of the people. So there. Yeah. So she is raking the rice, turning it over, so that it dries. You want to get all the moisture out before you store it, so it doesn't mildew, of course. But then it goes to market, and market, it'll be processed. It'll be at market, it'll be processed. It'll be separated from the hull and cleaned once more to get little rocks and sticks and things out, rice and stems, and then it goes on to get processed. So this is how we do rice here in Thailand. Okay, enjoy. Ever wonder how the rice gets into bags? Well, here This is how we do it. Sorry for the sun exposure.
โอเค guys we enjoy right time this year we hope we have a lot right see you next year for time right okay guys have a good day bye bye love you guys